Mm-hmm. Oh God. Okay, I'm just gonna find. Yeah. He just popped. Oh God, no, no. Oh, that's there. No. Oh God. Stop.
Hello, back.
Well, you died. It was a blizzard. He died in seconds.
Because I was brushing my teeth.
Oh, I found the greatest place. I wish you could spectate me. Oh my God, I just saw like flying bricks like going at 50 kilometers per hour. Like, shoo, shoo, shoo.
Start the game yet? That's
I'm resetting so I can just get full health. Basically.
By the way, I'm going to have to end the call in 10 minutes.
Oh God. We got 10 minutes to play.
Exactly.
Well then, you can't play your game. This is good.
Rakish with... Is that a new...
I think. Oh man, you're beating all of us.
Because I'm a balloon.
Buffoon, you mean. You have a buffoon. You have a buffoon, that's what you have.
Easy.
No! Ow! Whoa, 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 whoa. I fell down a little. I fell down.
Oh, that was a bad idea. I fell down. I fell down the entire time.
Why did you?
That was a bad idea.
Did you die?
That was a bad idea. I thought that was like a platform, and I thought so I was curious what happened when I get like down the pipe, and there was no ground. I was like, okay, oh no. And I have my balloon now, but it didn't even save me.
Yeah.
Rip.
Guys.
I'm going on suitable ground. I'm going blue.
Apple of the day saved an apple a day saves the day. Wait, that makes
Are
sense.
you in the tower?
Yeah. It's called Rakish Refinery.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Click now. Nom nom nom. Oh, I hate that sound. Like, can I have a cheeseburger, please?
No! I blew up. I blew up. I blew up.
I just noticed when you jump, the balloon gets even more dense.
So it'll get even higher?
No, I mean, it'll start getting like more helium into the balloon. Or air. That makes no sense. It's supposed to
I'm
stay
gonna
like
eat you. Hey, jump down the map. Jump off the skyscraper.
no. There is 0% chance you can attack me. Did you die?
Yeah.
Oh my, look at him. Look at his health.
Where?
So, I have 1,136 survivors. Galaxy games. Oh, this is not 100% of my power. I'm only using 1%.
Well, when you
1% of my power.
Bruh.
This is not my 100%.
What is it? Jumping balloons?
No. Super survive. Super survive. Super survive. Super survive. Ora. When you can.
Booga.
Ora.
When it's a tsunami, it's so easy in this map.
Everyone's literally crowding up here because the sky is literally red. It didn't even change color yet. But oh boy. That's an open place, my man. How did they predict the future? How did they predict the future?
Bruh.
Oh, that looks scary. He literally has black. I can see her. She has a Robux.
Robux.
And it's black. Yeah. You promised to my son that you're gonna give him free Robux. Oh. Don't get out there. Stay with this thingy.
You shouldn't go up there. It's too risky now. The whole roof just got blown up. What if this part got blown up? Imagine this part got blown up.
Oh, half of the room is literally blown up.
Oh my lord.
Half of the room has just been up.
Did you die?
No.
Where are you?
Half of the room has been obliterated.
Where are you? Though. Everybody's getting squashed. People just got squashed. Some of the people got squashed.
I'm on the second area where Galaxy Gates is. With very long legs and very long arms.
Oh.
He's so skinny.
I didn't get hit once.
This is the disturbing person. The most disturbing person. With the woman, the men face and the thingy.
Winning smile. We should play that someday.
Winning smile is more disturbing than the men face.
Yeah. But if I get it transform into a winning smile.
He has the winning smile. He has the winning smile. They wait for him as fast as possible. He has the winning smile.
Where?
Kylo Panda 01 has the winning smile. Yeah, it's the winning smile. It's literally looking into my soul. He's literally looking into my soul.
Where? Where?
I see him. Oh, he went out, but I saw him with the winning smile. Carlo Panda just said bah. And I think that
What's his name again? What's his name again?
Carlo Panda 01.
No, the person was
winning smile. Check him. He has the winning smile. Oh!
Oh my god, I'm Sonic there. I was Sonic there. I was going like ah!
Check his profile.
Hey, I'm on a piece of land. I'm on the big plant. I'm not shaking much.
Check Carlo Panda 01's profile. Or did he leave?
No, how did I just get killed? Did I just get sliced? What the heck? I just got like sliced or something. I can't believe you died as soon as it started.
The sentence and get prepared straight away, please. You're just too bad to do it. Just stay literally outside to get prepared.
You just instantly died, bruh.
Exactly.
That was so funny.
I was literally climbing it.
Yeah, and then you jumped down, but it was like a little too high. Then you just crushed the ground like cannonball on the ground, like cannonball.
winning smile.
Where?
I diagnose you winning smile.